Hello student, today in this robotic session we will be learning about rubber propelled car. Okay, so to design this car we need to have some waste CDs like this. This is to make wheels. If you don't have the CD, then you can also make use of some this bottle caps. Okay, and after this we need to have some double-sided tape so that we can fix this shaft, and we need to make the shaft using this rubber this pencils. Okay, so and other than this we need to have some rubber band. Okay, so this rubber band will be used to stitch the wheels. Okay, and for to make the chassis we need to have one bottle. Okay, so first we need to cut the bottle like this in between, and we have to fix this pencil here using this double-sided tape. What we will do, we will wrap this double-sided tape, okay, over this pencil. We need to wrap as much as per the this diameter, okay, not much. We need to wrap only that much double-sided tape so that we can fix it over the so we see here I am fixing this shaft. Now see, you can see it has been fixed. So likewise we need to fix all four this CD. If you have CD, then you make use of CD, otherwise you can also make use of this cap. Okay, so after fixing all these CDs and making hole in this bottle, okay, parallelly we need to make hole, okay, so that we can fix easily and we will come up with this structure. After that, using this rubber band we have to connect all this rubber band together in this way. We have to first insert inside one of the rubber band into the another one, then taking the other end we have to cross it and stretch it. Now you can see. So likewise I'll join all the rubber band, okay, and after joining all we will get this kind of longer rubber band, and this we need to fix in one of the shaft, as we need to have four shaft. Okay, so two shaft that will consist of four wheels. Okay, one shaft in the front, one shaft in the end. So using this longer rubber band I will be fixing in this rear end of the wheel. Okay, like this one will fix here, and we'll attach this in the chassis of this bottle. Okay, so you can see in the last I have attached two rubber band. Okay, so after making this, in order to drive this rubber propelled car, we need to stretch it in the backward direction. See, I am stretching this rubber band in the backward direction. So what is happening here? The elasticity is the elastic energy which is there in the rubber band getting conserved. Okay, and as soon as I will leave this one, it will try to take its own initial position. In that way it will move forward. See, it is moving forward. Okay, so as soon as we rotate it in the backward direction, and after taking 5 times or 10 times rotation, it will move forward. So this is how it works. Hope all of you have understood the concept, and I will just instruct all the students to don't do this kind of activity by yourself.